In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and save connection profiles in ProtonVPN on Windows. By the end, you'll have customized profiles you can connect to with a single click, tailored for speed, privacy, or specific tasks. First, open the ProtonVPN app on your Windows device. Make sure you're signed in and the app is up to date so you see all the available options. Give the app a moment to load your account and server list before moving on. Next, head to the Profiles section. Depending on the app version, you'll find it in the left sidebar or along the top. Profiles let you bundle your preferred server, connection type, and settings into a reusable shortcut, which is a big time saver if you switch needs throughout the day. Click the button to create a new profile. This opens the profile builder where you'll set everything up. Give your profile a clear name and choose a color. A descriptive name like WorkFast, Secure Core Browsing, or P2P Downloads makes it easy to find later. The color tag is useful when you have several profiles, letting you spot the right one at a glance. Choose your connection type. Standard is your everyday option for speed and simplicity. Secure Core routes your traffic through hardened servers for extra protection, which can reduce speed slightly but improves privacy. P2P is optimized for peer-to-peer traffic and works well with torrent clients. Tor routes your connection through the Tor network for an additional layer of anonymity, but it is the slowest and should be used only when you need that extra privacy. Select your location. You can pick a country, narrow it down to a specific city, or even choose an exact server if you want consistent performance. In general, servers closer to your physical location offer better speeds and lower latency. If a site you use is region-specific, choose a server in that region for the best compatibility. Adjust any custom settings available for the profile. Common options include choosing a VPN protocol, like WireGuard for speed or OpenVPN for compatibility, enabling features such as a kill switch, and configuring split tunneling if you want only certain apps to use the VPN. Keep these aligned with the purpose of the profile so you get predictable behavior every time. When everything looks good, click Save Profile. You'll see your new profile listed under Profiles, ready to use. From now on, just click it to connect with your chosen settings instantly. You can return here anytime to edit or create additional profiles for different use cases. That's all you need to create and save connection profiles in ProtonVPN on Windows.